Rainbow Six Siege. This was all from today. Just some clips, well, full game matches, uh, and on some ranked with different people throughout the day. We did overall pretty good, so leave a like and subscribe as always.
12 of them.
Yeah.
Me? I didn't get one.
Huh, we'll try again after this.
Tower. Top tower, top tower. Watch it. Watch it. Moto, right.
I know, I saw. Okay, I shot him in the head. That's bullcrap.
Someone beside Thermite, right?
Yeah, I'm in tower. It's a
Damn it, he was on the bottom steps. It's Dagger.
Snuck in on.
My kill assist.
Like
Yeah.
right behind you, to go on the down floor, and then Frost is never mind.
what glitch.
Where, whatever you just scanner up, you just hit Y and immediately pull out a shotgun.
Yeah, you have to
Yeah, I'm
hit
turning
your
up on him.
C4 charge. And then press Y.
Yo, I just hopped out the top window, came around and
Hi.
Moto, if you die, you let me know when they walk past this.
Alrighty. Wow, guys.
Bugs on the stairs.
Sure.
Oh, that is
Upstairs.
horseshit. I shot him in the face. Duckbeard on the run. You tell me what door you want open.
Check
and I
out that
will
camera to
blast
the
it.
right.
Got it.
Which one?
Let me go first. Watch out. I'll peek it. Okay.
Alright, alright, alright. Blackbeard, you ready?
Good.
back.
Watch the cap cam. Watch the
I know.
cap cam.
I see it. I see it. I know.
Is it captain?
There's someone.
He covered that side. I'm gonna thermite. Thermiting.
And we're in it.
That scared me. Oh my god.
I'm grabbing.
I'm grabbing this motherfucker.
Brad, smoke is
never
almost dead. What? Oh.
Oh, I got thermite over here.
Ooh.
Bitch.
Shield, 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 shield.
Where?
In this room.
Go away. I go this way.
Oh wait, I'm gonna shoot him through the wall.
Yeah. Oh, apparently I
go.
knifed him.
Yo, that way.
Sorry about that.
I don't know about that way.
I'm good.
I'm fucking... Hit him up, hit him up.
That's
the hostage.
Oh, you're in there.
Cover
Want
me.
me to go first?
Oh, come get me. Come get me.
I don't know. I can't tell where they are.
Guys-
Watch it.
Dude, he's
That's
right there
where
on
he
the left
is
side.
right
There's
There.
one in the corner, yeah. You go.
Oh,
Yeah.
dirty.
Hit the other one though.
Yeah.
He was weak. You only had to put one shot into him.
No, he had full
You-
health. It was just
you
cap
and your
cam. He got a
4-6.
headshot. He got a headshot, actually.
That was cool. Put traps on this game.
You just get so bright.
Oh, I fucked that one up. I didn't even. Yo, you shot my fucking camera in there.
Where'd you put it?
I got a shield up here. Need help? Nice
No, you
job.
don't.
Holy
Well,
hell.
The shield team
I
6?
got
I'm
blitz.
down.
Alright, I got
Got
Montang.
blitz. I call dibs on blitz, please.
Montaigne.
I got Montang. I
Oh,
already
you-
called
you
Montang.
can
You're
have-
SOL.
Blow
Blow it.
I got this. Get wrecked with that fuse charge.
Damn.
Just about how I thought it was happening. Oh, I got 2 kills.
Holy
that's-
shit.
Let's go.
Did
Still
that
Team
just happen?
6.
This did just happen.
I got 2 kills to that. Fuse.
I'm recording that. What the fuck?
Oh man.
Look at that mask, man. That's fucking.
Are you freaking kidding me? I swear, a bandit needs to go kill himself.
You always get killed by me.
Fuck! I
I've
don't
been
have
killed.
fucking breaches, guys.
Yeah, bandit's like he just like pops up and just fires.
There you go.
Are you kidding me?
Hey,
One down.
another.
There you
Ooh.
fucking go. No. Oh.
Shoot him.
Behind the desk. Watch out for the
Both
pop-up.
of you,
Watch
both
out for
of
the
you.
pop-up.
Yeah.
There you. Oh my god. I hit Frost
Break
up
it.
like fucking
A
hell.
teeny tiny kill hole in the wall there, and then. Hey, fuse that. Fuse it. Fuse the wall. Oh no.
Don't die on me, dude. Sit back if you
There
can.
you go. Sit down, Frost. Ooh, right there. You saw him. He ain't on none. Oh, that's a her.
Get in there. Get in there. Get that.
Oh, what a bitch.
Oh,
What a bitch.
she's
Moto.
hitting me.
Oh, no.
Where is she?
Damn, can't I break
Not
free?
good.
Oh no! Oh, sit down.
I'm just
Fuck
saying, I
yeah.
clutched that mark on her. I clutched that mark on her.
My
Yeah,
back.
the game's
Yeah.
over.
My back.
You got front. Yeah, there you go.
How?
Let's go. We gotta get in.
Oh, he came up and knifed me.
Hey, I think he's east. Yeah.
Got him.
Let me pull some.
Okay. Apparently I can't headshot.
Right
'Cause
behind
I mean,
you.
when does that never count as a kill? Oh, let's
You need
go.
help, Moto?
No, I got one downed back there though.
What the fuck ever?
Shit, I'm headed back, guys.
Oh.
Moto.
How are you not dead? You stole my kill.
Oh. Oh my god, nice.
Don't push, don't push.
Oh my god.
They're
There,
cool.
yeah.
Crouch down.
Found him.
Where?
No, don't throw it. Oh,
Get him.
used his shit already.
What?
I bet your heart
I'm glad I
was
didn't
racing.
choke.
Your heart was racing,
Holy
wasn't it?
shit.
41-minute game.
Oh my.